Another common question we get is, what do you do with the stump grinding debris? Because we typically don't remove the stump grinding debris. So stump grinding debris is kind of rocks and dirt and chips all mixed together. So it's something that we can dispose of. We can load it in a truck and dispose of it. It does cost money to do that. One of the common options is to relocate the grindings into the woods for a small fee. Typically what we do is we just rake the grindings back into the stump void. It kind of looks like a little anthill, and we just leave them. Usually if a stump's getting ground, chances are it's in the lawn, or you're going to end up having a lawn put in afterwards, at least in that spot. Usually, if a stump's in the lawn area, you're going to end up having it removed at some point and filling the hole with loam and seeding it. That's typically something the landscaper does, so that's why we kind of leave it like that. You could have a landscaper do it. They can remove the debris, fill the hole with loam and seed it. It's also something you can do as well. You can wheelbarrow the chips out into the woods and spread a little loam in the hole, seed it, and fix the lawn yourself afterwards. But typically we do not remove it. We can't offer that as an option. What we will do is we'll discuss it, we'll talk about it, and find out the best option for you.